Hello, students. Welcome to the science class. Since the last chapter, that is the chapter 4, that is matter and its states, we had all completed along with the question answers. So, today we are going to start with chapter 5, that is about the clothes. Now, this chapter is interesting in a way. You will get to learn about different types of clothes we use, and also what are the kinds of clothes we should wear in different seasons, and like the details about the clothes. Okay, so and this is, this is so very important for our daily life. Like we cannot um, leave, we cannot stay for a minute without clothes. And obviously, that although there are so many diversification of the clothes, but the basic purpose of the cloth is to cover ourselves and to make it in a proper decent way, so that we can mix with the people, we can go in front of the people. But beforehand, when our the in the early days of civilization, people used to roam about without cloth. They did not know about the existence of cloth. But after the discovery of so many days, so many matter, so many things, the people have become more civilized, and the cloth is now, it's an integral part of our daily life. Okay, so uh, what are the need for cloth? Like, why do we wear the cloth? Now, this is definitely um, known for us, that is different types of cloth fiber are there. So here we will learn today about the need for cloth, all about the different cloth fiber, like what are the fibers we use, and also how do we care about the cloth. Because care about, in a way, suppose you are wearing some woolen garments and you are washing with a very rough and tough detergent powder, then after a few days the all will wear away. Or maybe you are washing some type of a silk garments. Like, how should we wash this, along with what type of detergent, and how we take care of it depends, it determines its longevity, that is how long it will be going to last. Okay, so we will learn all these things. So sorry. So let's see, that is different types of clothes can be worn in the different times of weather, different weather condition, different types of conditions, different types of weather, different types of climates, different types of cloth are worn. Now, this is the cloth is one of our basic needs. Now, a basic need means, in order to survival, there are few basic things, there are few most important things which are needed by us. And we can say, without these substances we can't stay, we can't survive even for a second, even for a minute. Cloth is definitely one of them. And why do we wear the clothes? We wear clothes because to stay ourselves in a proper position, so that we can live, we can mix with the people. But definitely clothes depends upon the weather condition where we are staying. Say, for example, the people who are staying in Darjeeling, the woolen garments is a very common for them. But if we are living in a plain land and we are expecting to wear the woolen garments throughout the year, where the average temperature is around 30-32 degrees Celsius, even 35, even in summer months it crosses 35, it's absolutely weird. Okay, so we wear different clothes at different times of the day, that also very important. Like, say for example, um In the morning we wear different, in the home we wear different, in outside we wear different types of clothes, in the marriage ceremony, in the party we wear different types of clothes, even in the night we wear the night gowns, or say what to say, the maxis, the nighties, all that stuff. So different types of clothes are being worn in the different times of a day. And also the style, that is the type of the, or the style of the clothes also varies too much about according to the fashion. Like different types of clothes are coming into the practice. Some wear jeans, some wear midi gown, maxi frock, salwar kameez, patiala sari. Different types of clothes are there, obviously. Now we wear different types of clothes according to the need, according to the function, according to the fashion type, according to the temperature. So you can see these are the different types of clothes. Now, here comes the question, why there is need of cloth? Why do we need the cloth? So, the need of the cloth is we wear the cloth according to the occasion and time. You wear school uniform for school, that is very sure. Now, if in the school you come but without the proper uniform, you are not being, like it is said that you are not ready for the school, you are not permitted to do the class. Okay, so that is the rule of the school and you have to obey that. Then the you wear fancy cloth, different types of fancy clothes in different occasion, different function, different parties. And generally we wear comfortable clothes. Comfortable means that is without any gesture, without any uniform, without any proper like without any regulation. We just wear what we feel like, what we are comfortable, that kind of clothes at home. Okay, so this is our place, the home. So that is why we always wear this type of cloth where we get the comfort. Now also we wear cloth. Why do we wear cloth? This is definitely a major point, that is cloth has to look smart. When we are wearing the cloth, we should keep it in mind that clothes should be uh, like the it should be worn in such a manner that it should uh, match our personality, and at the same time it should look smart, it should look good. Then clothes also protect us from heat or sun. Definitely you are going to wear, say, little short clothes in a hot summer day, or the place where there is a scorching sun's heat. Definitely that cloth will not give us the proper protection. So in that way we have to, in order to get ourselves protected, we have to use the uh, that kind of cloth which is giving the protection from the sun. And also we wear cotton cloths, we should wear cotton cloths uh, during the summer or the hot days. Why cotton? Because they keep us cool, and also they are very light, and they therefore they save us from sweating. Okay, detailed thing obviously you will know later on, but as of now it's very important you to know that when there is too hot, that time we should wear the light and very loose fittings cotton clothes. Okay, so these are the reasons for which we wear the different types of cloths, or we wear the different types of materials of clothes. Now next one is they protect us from dust. Obviously the cloth has to be, or protect, has the function to protect us from the dust. And also cloth has got another function, that is it protects us from the cold. So we wear woolen clothes during the winter. So why do we wear woolen clothes during winter? Because it keeps us warm. Okay, because wool doesn't allow the body heat to go outside, go or escape in the environment, so our body remains warm. Okay, so the woolen cloths has to be worn during the winter time to keep ourselves warm. Okay, and also the raincoat, that is slip, that is a very raincoat material, or say waterproof material, has to be worn during the monsoon time, because that will help us, like the way we use umbrella. So these things help us to save us from the rain. Okay, and also cloth is useful to protecting us from the insect, so the waterproof material has to be used during the monsoon time to make or to protect ourselves from the rain. At the same time, we should use some type of material which can protect us from the insect. Okay, so mm, these are the different types of clothes we had seen we can wear in the different time, in the different pattern, in the different season, so that the clothes can give the proper protection and it can be used in a proper way. In the next class we will learn about the fibers. So till then, all of you stay safe, stay inside, stay well. Thank you.